Hey guys, today I'll be replacing the oil on a 2004 Ford F150 with the 5.4 liter V8 engine. I've had this truck for close to a year now, and I do oil changes between 3,000 and 3,500 miles using Mobil 1 full synthetic oil like always, and it's coming up to an oil change, so we're going to do that right now. There's a little bit of noise outside, there's lawnmowers because it's a beautiful day. So decided I'm gonna start this video inside. I already got the truck prepped. It was sitting for the last 2 or 3 days, so I let it run for a few minutes, get the oil kind of flowing. So it's ready to go, and we're gonna jump straight in it. There it is. I got it jacked up just a little bit. This is a very heavy truck, so please be safe. That's my setup right there. I got the jack and I got the jack stand. I got my oil cap off right there, put it to the side. 16 socket to take out the oil drain plug, and this is where it's located, right there. So it's behind, a little bit behind the front wheels, dead center, you cannot miss it. I don't think there's anything covering it on any of these trucks. So you see where the oil pan is roughly? It's right in front of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, undo that, and get the oil drained. Strong believer that changing your oil sooner rather than later will benefit the engine life quite a lot. But that's with anything. Take care of it and it'll last you longer. And we are going under right here. And there's the filter. With your hand back there to get to it. There's the front. Alrighty, new filter is in. Here's the old one. And I had to use this oil filter removal tool, and honestly guys, I forgot how much of a pain these filters are. I always tighten it like enough but not too much, because after the first time I learned the hard way, it is super difficult to take these off. And I mean, I don't know, maybe big hands, it doesn't give me much room to untwist it. So even with that, I struggled, and as you can see, I did some damage to the oil filter, the old one. But new one is in. I'm gonna tighten everything up, wipe it down, lower the truck, and we're gonna proceed with putting fresh oil inside. Fast forward, and here we are. So I put about 6, maybe 6.5 quarts of oil. Everything is done. Oil cap is in, drain plug is in, your oil filter is in. So the next step is I'm gonna start the truck. I'm gonna let it run for maybe 10-15 seconds. I'm gonna check, make sure everything is okay, nothing is leaking, and then I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes for the oil to kind of level out. I'm gonna check the oil dipstick and add if necessary. I don't think I'll need it, but that's pretty much how an oil change is done on one of these trucks. Fairly straightforward, aside from the filter removal. Honestly, that's a big pain. So the cost for the new oil filter was around $7, and 6 quarts of oil. I buy jugs of 5 quarts, and they're under $23 from Walmart. So, you know, roughly comes out to under $30 for the oil and $7 for the filter. So under $40, and you have a full synthetic oil change. And even with me struggling with the oil filter, it took honestly like 30 minutes to do. Good luck to you all. Stick around for more videos, subscribe, hit that like button, and the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. Have a good day.